place called Lodibar live a young man who was crippled from afar. His name was Mephibosheth, the son of Jonathan, the son of Saul. He was trying to survive, since Jonathan and Saul was slain. It seemed all hope was in vain, and each lonely night he spent in fear, but from another day praying. One day came
There is one thing I like to do. Is there one of the house of soul? Someone I can show my kindness to. Someone sat down in Lodibar. There lives a son of Jonathan, Mephibosheth, the crippled one. David said, go and find him and bring him this message from the king. Mephibosheth, wherever put your fears to rest. Come and be my table guest. To you I'll be a father, and my son you will always be. Mephibosheth, please accept the invitation. I made all the preparations. Mephibosheth cried, oh, how can this be? That a king would ever love someone like me.
Living in Lodibar, where there's no comfort for a troubled soul, just a place full of broken hearts, never knowing what the future holds. But now that I'm at the King, there's nothing like His love for me. Now I'm part of the family, since someone came and knocked upon my door with this message from the King. Mephibosheth, forever put your fears to rest. Come and be my table guest. To you I'll be a father, and my son you will always be. Mephibosheth, please accept the invitation. I made all the preparations. Mephibosheth cried, oh, how can this be? That a king would ever love someone like me. I rejoice when I recall the day I watched those bridges burn, when I said goodbye to Lodibar, never to return. Mephibosheth, forever put your fears to rest. Come and be my table guest. To you I'll be a father, and my son you will always be. Mephibosheth, please accept the invitation. I made all the preparations. Mephibosheth cried, oh, how can this be? That a king would ever love someone. How could he ever love someone? It's good to know he loves someone like me.